this one, I'm gonna be going over how to make just an easy, foolproof flour tortilla. Water, flour, bacon fat. Okay, now just mix it up. You can do this by hand if you don't have a mixer like this. Forgot to mention, add some salt. Okay, after beating the hell out of it, it should look something like this right here. You wanna just go ahead and just put that in a bowl or something, cover it with a towel, and then let this guy rest for about 10 minutes. If you don't do that, it won't be relaxed and it'll basically not expand into a tortilla. Okay, just roll it out into equal sized balls by weight or size. Then just a generous dusting of flour on your surface, ball down, give it a little smush, roll, then turn. Then just cook it off on a well-seasoned skillet or comal like this. Set it down on a skillet or a comal like that, cook it off. Also, I noticed that like 90% of you guys aren't subscribed, but you're watching the video. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, it really helps me out. And just toss them into a towel like this to keep them nice and warm. And then you could set this aside. You could even keep this over the oven and keep them warm all day. This is for the flour tortilla video. Okay, so this is how my grandma would always make my flour tortillas for me. It would just be literally flour tortilla and then butter. And then you just spread it all over the tortilla until it looks all glistening and shiny just like that. And then she would just take some salt and sprinkle it all over that. This is my flaky salt though. And that's it. That was my childhood snack right there. It's delicious. I can cut that one.